koutou, ko Charlie ahau. I am Charlie.
And kia ora, Winton School. Ko Mckinnon ahau. I am Mckinnon. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Meri, the 8th of April.
Okay, straight into InterHouse Touch news. After 2 thrilling games yesterday, including one game going into extra time, we have our finals games sorted for next Tuesday.
The play final, which is the playoff for 3rd and 4th, is between Oreti and Waiau.
So, in the grand final are Aparima and Hokonui.
We are looking to play the finals up at Midlands on Tuesday and having a lunch in the Grandstand. We'll keep you posted. Stay tuned for more info, koutou.
Health and safety news. The clear sky UV forecast today is moderate from 12 until 2.
And remember, nang potae at interval and lunch, kia ora.
And high-vis vest, to and from school, kia ora.
Okay, let's get into Te Kupu o Te Wiki this week's word is ahau, which is te reo for love.
As in aroha te reo, love the language.
Otago problem solvers, please meet Mr. T in the group room at morning tea, kia ora.
And your 7-8 basketball players to meet on the new courts at 12:40 for a lunchtime practice with Mr. T. Thank you. Touch news, whakarongo mai koutou.
Practice for the Winton Leopards at morning tea time today. Please meet Jack and Archie at the library steps.
Winton Warrens, can you please meet in the junior lunch area also at lunchtime?
Winton Wombles, you have a practice at lunchtime. Meet at 12:40 by the library steps.
Winton Wipeouts, please meet Georgia and Briley in the junior lunch area at 12:40.
And Winton Sacks, can you please get to field 7 by 3:45 for a quick practice before your game, kia ora.
And if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the textbooks below.
Birthday news 3 today at Winton School. Beth Anderson turns the double digits 10 today.
Charlotte Mitterrand is the lucky number 7.
And Aiden Davis is the big hero 6.
And that's not all. Tomorrow Amelia Phillips also turns 7.
Ra whānau ki, koutou.
And that's all for the week from everyone here at the N.E.W.S team.
Ka kite o Tira Wiki. See you next week.
Haere rā, and have a great weekend, Winton School.